Welcome to the next-gen auto hub. The 2019 Lincoln Corsair emerges as a sanctuary shaped for a world that moves faster than ever, offering a rare sense of calm crafted with intention. As dawn light spills across an open horizon, the Corsair glides forward with a quiet confidence, its sculpted lines shimmering at the edge of sunrise. From the first glance, it conveys a balance of elegance and athleticism, a compact luxury SUV designed not merely for travel but for elevating every moment of the journey. Stepping inside, the cabin greets you with a warm, inviting atmosphere where refined materials, elegant stitching, and thoughtful textures come together to create a sense of retreat. The space feels curated rather than constructed, with every detail chosen to soothe the senses, from the soft ambient glow to the spacious layout that encourages you to settle in and exhale. Within the Corsair, silence is more than the absence of noise, it is a carefully engineered harmony. Lincoln's philosophy of quiet flight is evident as the world outside fades into a gentle hush, leaving the interior wrapped in calm. Technology integrates seamlessly into this serenity, not to overwhelm but to support. Digital displays animate softly, providing crystal-clear information just where you need it, and intuitive controls respond with smooth precision. The Corsair understands that true luxury should never demand your attention, it should enhance your experience without intruding on it. With smart connectivity and effortless navigation, it becomes an extension of your own rhythm, adapting gracefully to your needs whether you're commuting through the city or cruising toward new horizons. On the road, the 2019 Corsair blends responsive power with refined composure. Its performance feels intuitive, offering confident acceleration when needed and a smooth, controlled presence through every curve. The suspension absorbs imperfections with ease, turning uneven terrain into a seamless flow. Driving becomes less an act of controlling a machine and more a sensation of natural movement, as though the vehicle anticipates your intention before you fully express it. This balance of power and poise gives the Corsair its signature character, spirited when the journey calls for energy, quiet and steady when the world asks for calm. Every seat inside the Corsair reflects Lincoln's commitment to comfort as a universal experience. Passengers enjoy generous legroom and sculpted seating designed to support and relax. The spaciousness feels deliberate, extending the sense of sanctuary to everyone on board. When the panoramic roof opens, daylight pours in and transforms the cabin into an airy, expansive space that connects you gently to the outside world. It's a reminder that luxury is not about isolation but about choosing how you engage with your environment, letting in light and life on your own terms. The Corsair doesn't just move through landscapes, it invites you to experience them. Whether navigating the fluid lines of a modern city or weaving through winding forest roads, it adapts naturally to its surroundings. Its confident stance and expressive design make an impression without raising its voice, offering style that speaks through presence rather than flash. At a quiet coastal overlook, as the sun begins to set, the Corsair becomes a still companion to the unfolding view. Its design mirrors the balance of the world around it, grounded yet graceful, simple yet sophisticated. Ultimately, the 2019 Lincoln Corsair is more than a vehicle, it is a thoughtfully crafted space where intention and experience meet. It offers a place to reset when the world becomes loud, a moment of ease when life becomes demanding, and a sense of purpose when the journey stretches ahead. Luxury here is defined not by excess but by clarity of design, of comfort, of movement. It is for those who appreciate that the journey is as meaningful as the destination, who seek not just transportation but transformation in every mile. As night falls and the Corsair's interior lights glow softly, it pulls onto the open road with quiet determination, ready to carry you forward with grace. The 2019 Lincoln Corsair stands as a testament to calm confidence, intentional design, and the enduring value of finding your own space to soar. The experience of the 2019 Lincoln Corsair ultimately becomes a reflection of the driver's own desire for balance between motion and stillness, power and poise, presence and peace. It encourages you to take the long way home, to rediscover familiar roads with a renewed sense of clarity, and to embrace the simple pleasure of a journey unhurried. In every mile, the Corsair offers reassurance that comfort can coexist with capability, and that luxury can feel both personal and quietly powerful. It becomes a partner in your everyday exploration, inviting you to move with intention, confidence, and unmistakable grace. With each drive, the 2019 Lincoln Corsair reinforces the idea that a vehicle can be more than a means of transportation. It can be a space that nurtures thought, sparks inspiration, and restores a sense of calm amid life's constant motion. Its design encourages you to slow down, even as it effortlessly carries you forward. The Corsair becomes a mobile haven, a place where modern craftsmanship meets timeless comfort. Whether embarking on daily errands or setting out on a weekend escape, it reminds you that every journey holds the potential for renewed perspective, comfort, and a deeper connection to the road ahead. As you continue to experience the 2019 Lincoln Corsair, you begin to appreciate the subtle artistry behind its thoughtful engineering. Every button, every surface, every motion feels purposeful, as though designed to anticipate your needs before you express them. The Corsair becomes a trusted companion, quietly attentive, effortlessly capable, and always ready to support your day's pace. Whether navigating busy streets or unwinding on peaceful backroads, it offers a sense of grounding that modern life often lacks. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our channel grow. See you in the next video.